Hello everybody, greetings from my side. This is Dr. Mandeep Malhotra. So we wanted to apprise you of a new development which has happened in our unit in our hospital. So we have started using robot in breast cancer surgery. So normally robot is not associated with breast cancer surgery. Over the few years now we are looking at what advantage a robot will play in doing a breast cancer surgery. The concept is that previously we were looking at radical mastectomies, but now the concept is that in early stage cancers or those patients who have responded very well to chemotherapy, a skin sparing or a nipple sparing procedure, if possible, should be done. First of all, this nipple sparing or skin sparing procedures are not inferior in cancer control as compared to the more radical procedures. दूसरा कि जितना भी हम स्किन स्पेयरिंग या निपल स्पेयरिंग प्रोसीजर करेंगे तो उसका कॉन्सेप्ट ये होता है कि अगर मेरा ओवरलाइन स्किन या निपल से कैंसर दूर है तो इफ दैट इज फ्री देन आई शुड जस्ट गो एंड रिमूव द अंडरलाइंग कैंसर टिश्यू अलॉन्ग विद मार्जिन्स और रिमूव द अंडरलाइंग ब्रेस्ट विद द मिल्क डक्ट्स एंड प्रिजर्व द ओवरलाइंग स्किन एंड द निपल. So this gives me the functional breast because it's the skin and the nipple where the breast sensation actually lies. So that is why this skin sparing and nipple sparing procedures are now the standard of care for early stage cancers and those patients who have responded very well to systemic therapy. So doing a skin sparing procedure or a nipple sparing procedure, robot actually helps because with robot we can give a small incision, preserve the vascularity and sensation of maximum part of the skin. It gives us a magnified view, तो हम उससे ब्लड लॉस हमारा काफ़ी कम होता है, सर्जरी काफ़ी प्रिसाइज होती है एंड विद रोबोटिक आर्म्स वी कैन गो टू द कॉर्नर्स एंड रिमूव द मैक्सिमम ब्रेस्ट टिश्यू एज मच एज पॉसिबल. ऑल्सो विद रोबोट वी कैन यूज एंड द आर्मपिट इंसिजन ओनली, तो उसी से ही हम जो पीछे अगर इफ आई एम लुकिंग एट लैटिसमस फ्लैप फॉर रिकंस्ट्रक्शन तो विदाउट गिविंग एनी इंसिजन इन द बैक आई कैन गो इन टू द back part of it, harvest the tissue from the armpit and reconstruct the breast. So these are the few advantages which robot has in breast cancer surgery, and we are developing this program in our hospital and would like to develop this as a center of excellence for robot assisted breast cancer surgery. Thank you.